So you have an assignment that calls for some scholarly and popular sources. There are so many articles out there. How do you tell the difference between popular and scholarly sources? By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to distinguish between the two. You'll learn about some of their characteristics and differences. And you'll learn about good ways to use popular and scholarly literature in your own work. Popular literature appears in magazines and newspapers. The covers are often glossy or eye-catching. These sources are geared towards a broad general audience and can be purchased at bookshops or newsstands. The articles are usually reviewed only by a professional staff editor or editors. Scholarly literature is published in subject-specific journals. In this example, you can see the Journal of the American Medical Association, or JAMA, and International Studies Quarterly. Scholarly journals are typically available through subscription only. You usually can't find them in stores. These articles are geared towards scholars and experts in the field, and they undergo reviewing by other scholars in the field. This is known as the peer review process. So how are popular sources used? Popular sources might present news and current events. Since the review process to publish popular articles is short, they're a good place to look for very current information. Popular sources may tell human interest stories or convey emotional responses. They can also be useful for getting an overview of a topic. And how are scholarly sources used? Scholarly literature can be useful for gathering subject-specific information, research, and data. It's a way for scholars to communicate, so it might present or review research or criticism on a given topic. The article is popular. You can see in the upper left that this article is from a magazine called The Economist. The Economist is a popular magazine that can be purchased at regular newsstands or bookshops. The language that this article is written in is generally easy to understand and is written for a broad audience. There's a large photo included in the layout of this article, and it includes a humorous caption. Also notice that there aren't any notes or references included at the end of this article. These are some of the characteristics that give it away as a popular article. The article is a scholarly article. Notice that it's from the Journal of Behavioral Education. The title of this source gives you a clue that it's a scholarly source. The authors cited for this article include their academic titles. Their expertise in the field is indicated. The language that this article is written in is geared towards other scholars in the field of education. You can tell by some of the subject-specific terms that it uses. Also notice that this article includes a long list of references at the end. These are some of the characteristics that give it away as a scholarly article.